Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add links to WhatsApp channel posts. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WhatsApp application on your mobile phone if you have not already. So once you open it up, as you can see, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can access all the chats, and right here at the bottom of the page we can now get started. So if you do not already have the application downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store, find WhatsApp and download it. Once you have logged in with your phone number, you are going to go and be greeted by the home page, and now right here at the bottom of the screen we can find all the sections we can access. And what you want to do is open up this section in the bottom left corner called updates. The update section is going to go ahead and take you right here to the update section where you can find all the channels you can follow. So now you have the option to go ahead and either create your channel if you can, and if it's possible for you to create one. As you can see, currently I cannot, but as you can see, once you open up a channel, it's going to look like this. So the channels look the same for everybody, and now we have two ways we can share links. Either if you just want to copy the link of this channel that you can share to people, you can click on the name of the channel at the top of the screen and then click the share button. By clicking the share button, you can get started copying the link that you can then send to people, invite them to join, and so on. But if you're an admin of the channel, you can get started with posting. So just by typing out a normal message like you would in any other chat, you can add any link that you want. As you can see, the link is added right here into the post. So with this, you can send links to your channel post and people will be able to access them, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.